Hello guys, and welcome to a new task using Python. The task is to create an HTML list from a list of names. So let's begin. HTML list. Begin with the first tag, that is UL, and then next line. So this is the first tag, and then the rest of the tags should be taken care of by a for loop. So we use here HTML list, and use the plus sign, which concatenates or appends each new each new string which will be placed in this part will be concatenated or added to this list. So what we have here, we'll make a list and use the format the end of the tag, and then the new line dot format car. Okay, so by this in this way, what we do, we make each car will be placed here and added to the list. So at the end, we will have to add the end tag, HTML list will be added. UL. So this is the end tag of unordered list, and now we can print our list. HTML list. So if everything is all right, so let's see how it works. There was something wrong. Let's see what it was. Format car. Name HTML list is not defined. HTML list. Okay, the name was misspelled. HTML list. Let's run it once again. Okay, great. This is the HTML list with all the name of the cars. Okay, that's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more such wonderful videos. Bye bye.